Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to see how to make chocolate modak. This modak recipe is an easy, fireless one and can be made with just 3 ingredients. So let's get started with the recipe. To make chocolate modak, you will need 100 grams of 2 Oreo biscuit packets. And now we need to separate the crème from the cookies. Keep the cookies and the crème in 2 separate bowls. So I have finished separating the crème from the biscuits, and now we need to grind the biscuits into a fine powder. For that, take a large mixer grinder and break the biscuits into small pieces like this. Alright, this is done, and now we need to grind this into a powder. Let's check this once. So you can see our Oreo biscuit powder is ready, and now we will transfer this to a mixing bowl. And now into this I'll be adding some fresh cream. First I'll be adding 3 tablespoons of it. Give this a rough mix. I'll be adding half tablespoon of cream now. This is Hersheys Chocolate Syrup. I'll be adding say around 1 tablespoon of it. This will give a nice chocolatey flavor to our chocolate modak. And now with clean hands we will mix everything well. And we need to knead the dough for about 5 to 6 minutes until we get a smooth silky finish Oreo dough. So now you can see a shine in the dough. This is the texture we need. This is the Oreo crème which we will use for the filling, but along with this we will add some desiccated coconut. I will add now 2 teaspoons of it. Mix this. It's always more convenient to mix with hands to get a smooth finish. I think I need to add 1 more teaspoon of the desiccated coconut. So totally I have added 3 teaspoons of desiccated coconut. Now mix this well until you get a smooth finish. So our filling for chocolate modak is also ready. Now take a small portion of the Oreo chocolate dough and roll it in this way. I'll be using this kind of modak mold. First grease the inside part of the mold with some ghee or oil. Now fill the Oreo chocolate dough inside the mold, gently pressing the sides. Leave gap in the center for the filling. Now stuff the center with the filling. Press inside gently. And seal the bottom with a little bit of Oreo dough. Remove the extras from the sides. Now open the mold and very gently lift the modak from the bottom like this. So you can see our easy chocolate modak is ready. Isn't this quick and easy to make? And kids will enjoy this for sure. So in the same way, I will prepare some more chocolate modak. Remember to press the sides gently with your fingers. This will give your modak good shape. Now fill the center with the stuffing. And seal the bottom well with the Oreo chocolate dough. Open the mold. And here goes one more chocolate modak. This is a very tasty, easy chocolate modak recipe, and kids will enjoy and can even try making this as it is fireless. So I hope you will try this interesting and easy chocolate modak recipe. Engage your kids also, as they will love making this for their favorite Ganesha during Ganesh Chaturthi. I will show the inside part as well. And here it goes. Looks good and yummy also. So do try this chocolate modak recipe and enjoy with your family during Ganesh Chaturthi. Also, I would love to hear your feedbacks in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do so for more interesting and yummy recipes. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.